This one needs a wheel bearing as well. Very hard to show you with one hand. Yep, that'll have not helped with the wheel bearing issue. Just tight in there, babe. It's a bit crispy looking in there. See, this is why it is important to shop local. I was able to go to a local bearing shop and I had that bearing that's scrap. Didn't have to wait online, just went to a shop, talked to someone that knew what they're fucking doing, and he came out with a proper bearing. Perfect. Now I can continue. Boom, all back together. You don't need to see me put it all back together because you've seen me do wheel bearings before.